Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to preview a video before export in Tempo. If you love creating beat sync videos Tempo uses ready-made templates and music-based timing to turn your photos and video into smooth, trendy edits without complicated controls. And in this video I'll show you how to preview your video properly in the Tempo app before exporting so you can catch mistakes and make sure everything looks perfect. So let's get started. So first, make sure you already have a Tempo app. If you do not have, so you can go to the Play Store or the App Store and download it from there as well. And after that, you can open to your Tempo app here. So once you reach into this home screen dashboard, you can select any of the template from the screen here. On the bottom right, there's a profile icon. You can go to there. You can simply select Go Create if you want a video from scratch, or if you want any of the draft you have previously saved it. You can select any of this draft, simply slide to the right and find it and tap on any of the draft that you want to prefer. And once you're on the editing screen, look at the video preview window. On the screen, tap on the play button simply and Tempo will play the full video with the transitions, effects, beat sync, and this is the real-time preview of your final video. So that's how you preview your video before exporting in the Tempo app. Always preview first, it saves time and avoid mistakes. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any queries, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.